Besides all the evil that had creeped and seeped into the society of the Arabs, there were certain good qualities, good characteristics and values which gave them an upper edge over all the other people that existed at that point of time and was seldom to be found in other people. They had certain qualities such as hospitality. Hospitality, the enthusiasm for being hospitable to the guest was widespread in Arabia. A person would not hesitate to sacrifice his only animal in order to feed his guest. And if you read the poetry of the days of ignorance, of the poetry of the Yawmul Jahiliyyah, Ayyamul Jahiliyyah, we can very well find a description of such people who are hospitable, and they praised the people who had a lot of ashes being produced in the house, because these ashes that came out of the houses indicated that this person is hospitable and is cooking a great amount of food for his guest. Another quality and characteristic which was present in them more than the others was keeping their covenants. They could go to any extent to keep a promise and a covenant if once made. Another quality was the sense of honor and denial of injustice. They used to say, Narun wala ar. Going into the fire is easy for us, but will not tolerate the slightest of humiliation. Therefore, a person would be ready to come down to war and fight and struggle and give his life, but he would never be ready to bow his head in humiliation. This was one of the good qualities of the Arabs. And they had firm will and determination. And they praised such people who, if they wanted something, they could achieve it. They praised such people and were considered as firm will and determination was also one of the main trademarks of the Arab society. They led a simple life, the pure, simple Bedouin life, far away from the luxuries, that had become the trademark of the Roman, the Persian Empire. The Arabs led a very simple life, and they loved and praised simplicity. So these were some of the qualities which were present in the Arabs.